Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I fixed my phone all alone at home. So I got these packets today at eBay. I bought it and then they deliver it today. So we'll be opening it and then checking it out. So this was the screen, I think. I am possibly sure because I didn't even open it to see sneak and peek. So let's go ahead and open the box and then fix this ugly phone. Let's go. Oh, so this must be the screen for iPhone X. Let's check it out. Is this first protection? Okay. Oh, screen protector. I wanted that. I have no idea what is this for, but okay. Oh, so lucky me, they got me screws and everything in the box. To be honest, I don't even have a screen with me, like for real. Okay, unnecessary. So this will be my first time trying to fix an iPhone X, like first time ever. So we'll be opening it. Let's see, do they have the, according to this need a star screwdriver. So I got one here. Okay, my hand is shaking. I think I always have a problem with opening the screen this way. Like every time when I wanted to open this part, I always have a problem with it. I don't know why. So my screen is cracked. If you have one of those, use it on the top of the screen like this, and then make sure you use one of those, or you can use the plastic one. So right now I can sense my phone is on, but I can't see anything on the screen. Right now, be careful when you're opening it, and if this is your first time, you might want to use the heat gun or anything, but my screen is broken and ruined, so it doesn't matter. For this screen, doesn't matter, but for your phone, make sure it's safe. And right now, if I destroy this phone, it doesn't matter, but make sure you don't ruin your. That's the advice I can give you. And maybe this one. Okay, lucky we have the screw to open this phone, because or else I'll be trying to find my way to eBay company and tell them that they got me the wrong screwdriver. So I got this. I'm not used to this one, so I never used this one before. Make sure you open all the screws and take this away, far away from me. Okay, let's try using this. No, actually this one. So there is the battery cable over here, I think, and this, yep, that's the battery cable for your own safety, so you wouldn't broken your phone or anything that related to your phone. Okay, so where did this go? Okay, I don't understand something right here. Let's try figuring it out. So this is the screen, it's fake, not original from Apple. See, I just found a screw in here. So you can see, this you have to go really easy on it. Make sure you use a plastic screwdriver to open it. And try not to break this, because this part is original. You can see we have the Apple logo over here, the Apple logo over here. So this is original, but the screen is not original because it does not have an Apple logo at all. But that doesn't matter because I know the screen isn't original. So let's open this. Make sure you open it first. And then we have Apple's smallest screw over here. Yep, Apple's smallest screws over here. Make sure you don't lose it. So you don't need to worry about taking out your camera, because your camera is here in the Face ID here. But sometimes when you fix your screen, the Face ID doesn't work, but my Face ID doesn't work because the camera I had to get a change. Okay, one more screws left over here. I need to make a difference between those two. Feel like I've broken this one, but whatever. Okay, let's just take this tire thing off so I can take it out slowly and nicely without ruining anything. But first thing first, let's try on the screen. Okay, there it is, it's on. So this is the phone I've been using, so you might be needing a light over here, so I'll be using this as my light. Kind of forgot where were the screws, so okay, yeah, I do. Now I remember. And be careful while you're screwing the screen, because sometimes you might have just messed up your screen. And this is the worst part about putting phone with screw back, because it does not to make it go right straight in there. Okay, it does not go right away in there. Okay, so I'm not trying to squeeze it really hard because I'm not sure if this is the right screw. Yep, so I got both the screw in, and now all I need to do is try plugging back and then try making a call after 1 hour when the phone turned on. So first thing first, I usually like putting this one first because the easiest one is this too. So once you plug those in, you are good. So it's safe and sound. Okay, let's turn on back the phone. Okay, so this is the right screen for the phone. And now let's close up the screws. Okay, big screws going somewhere else. Small screw going somewhere else. Okay, so it's still on disable. Wow. Try again in 1 hour. Okay, these big screws going right here in the big hole. And the last screw. I know this one is not supposed to be going there because this one did not have a screw, but this is the screw I found. So I am just going to put it right here. Okay, I think I lost it. Okay, there it is. So we'll place this guy here. Try this one more time. Close the volume. Does that work? Yep, no sound. Okay. So since we're done putting this, let's put back the last screws. Last two bad boys. So now the phone is finally done. So if you guys want to know how to fix, if you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to fix the battery for the iPhone X or any iPhone, just comment down below and I can try doing the battery tutorial, but just comment down below what type of phone and battery. I can almost do anything that related to iPhone, like literally almost anything about iPhone I can fix. Yeah, almost everything about iPhone. except like the 11 Pro and higher. When I mean higher is if you're watching this maybe in 2023, just know that I can't fix any iPhone that is higher yet. But if you guys want to buy one of those equipment to fix your phone at home, I'll be putting the link on the description so you can buy them. I have no idea what this for, but okay, so let's change the screen. Alright, it's gonna be Windows guys. Of course, stuck in the middle. Okay, so if this happens to you, you got a solution. Use this. Yes, get it under there. And now no scratches. Just use your finger to finish the rest. And now I got my brand new phone again. But this phone is going to my little sister, so it's not mine anymore because it's going to her. So because I got a new phone and I want to give her this, and she always wanted this instead of the iPhone 11 only. She liked this better, so she will be having this one and I will be having a different phone. I don't like iPhone anymore. Maybe I'll switch to Android. iPhone sucks. No offense, Apple, you can still sponsor. So this phone is going to my little sister because I'm switching to another iPhone. I can't mention which sisters right now because it's 4 of them and they all are annoying, so I have to see the one do a good job in that around. That will be the one who will be getting that phone. And this screen I'm putting in here in case if, you know, maybe one day it will work, and if it doesn't work, if it stay like this forever, then it's going to hell. Yeah, that means garbage. Okay, so we're done with this phone. I have to wait in 54 minutes. So if you're watching this video and another year from this or another month, if you're watching this video between August, just know that I uploaded. But if you're watching this video and around 2021, just know that this video is old. Alright, peace out. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next on the next video, because I don't know what I'll be doing next. And make sure you recommend this to your friend. Maybe they want to know how to fix phones. So yeah, or I can be your friend teacher. And DM me if you want your phone to get fixed. I'll do it. If you bring your equipment, I'll do it for you for free. Just bring your equipment, buy it on eBay, anywhere. Just bring it, I'll do it for free.